When it comes to personal development and achieving success, you are 100% responsible. Not even your friend or even your family member. You are 100% responsible. My name is Noel Atoye, and welcome to 5 Minutes of Design and Code, where we share design and coding tips and how you can achieve success in your journey. Let's dive into it. In today's episode, we'll be talking about 4 crucial skills everyone should have before they graduate. Now, while this video is tailored for those who are still in school, I think anyone can really benefit because these are soft skills and also technical skills that can affect every aspect of your life. Now, talking about these skills, there are 4 of them and we're going to be looking at them one after the other. The first is you need to know how to communicate, right? So when it comes to communication, there are several ways communication can be done, but you need to be able to communicate whatever your ideas are, and you need to be able to say them clearly. You need to be able to have conversations both with people that within your age range and people that are even more than you. So you need to be able to communicate your skills and be able to tell people what you want at every point in time. Now, once you're done obtaining communication skills and people can understand you when you speak, the next thing you need to be able to do as well is to listen. So another skill you need to be able to have before you graduate from school, or even when you're in the working environment, you need to be able to listen to people. You need to be able to understand people's problem and let it not always be about you. Let it also be about people around you and also how you can help others achieve success. So these are very, very important. The first one, remember, you need to learn how to communicate and you need to also learn how to listen to people. Moving to the next one, you need to learn how to collaborate. Now, collaboration is key. Collaboration is key because you have to work with other team members in order to achieve the business goal. So yes, in school, it might be that oftentimes you study personally just to get a better grade for yourself. But when it comes to the workforce, it's maybe a bit different because you would have to actually work with other team members in order to achieve success for the brand. So this is very, very important. And finally, you need to learn how to think. Well, learning how to think can best be done by learning coding skills. So you need to understand how the programming world works and how the machine interprets information. Once you can do that, this will open more doors and you'll be able to even think further and create more success for yourself. So wrapping things up, right? The first thing I said you need to learn how to do is you need to be able to communicate your ideas. You need to be able to listen, and also you need to be able to collaborate with other people, working with people to achieve one common goal, and finally find a coding skill to learn. Well, if you want coding skill, just go to instincthub.com and you'll be able to see a lot of skills there that you can grasp. And thank you for watching. If you have any question, please just give us a question in the comment section. Of course, I'll be willing to answer some of the questions and let's see how it goes. Kindly follow us on all our social media platforms. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one.